Gianna,
Yeah,
where are you?
I'm here.
What are you doing?
They put jacket here. That's it.
Oh yeah?
That's it.
Good job, my girl.
Show Daddy.
Let me see. What you got? What you got? Alright, pile it good.
Here.
Who asked you to put it there? Alright, good, good. Another one. Good job, baby. Is that your chocolate milk? Oh, yeah. Good
Show Daddy.
job.
Yes.
Is this a dress, baby girl? Good job, baby. There you close your braids.
Close.
Oh, wow. Oh, my God. What's that in your feet? You get something color in your feet? Let me see. Who did that to you, baby girl?
Cheetah power.
No, it's not Tita Paula, you silly. Who did that to you?
Cheetah.
Tita? Who's Tita? Tita, what's her name? My friend, Tita. What her name, Gianna? Tita. What her name? Tita Rachel? Rich, is that her name? Rachel?
Yeah.
You like that one?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, let me see your fridge. Open it. What's you put inside? Let me see. Let me see. Oh my God, what's in there? You don't put that very well. Let me see. Yeah, you arrange it, baby girl. Good job. Good job, my girl. All right, come on now. Close your fridge now.
Close.
You're doing good, Gianna.
Up. Your turn.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. That's okay. Is that daddy cold? Daddy drinks?
Yeah.
Alright? Yeah. Arrange it good. Yeah. Alright. You can put it at the top right here. You can put some on the top like that. Okay. Put it at the top. Come on. There you go. Like that. There you go. Alright. That's it now. That's fine. You can leave the rest down there. Good job. Oh, alright. You can push all the way.
Push.
All the way. Okay. Come on now. Good job. Oh, get this one. Throw those in the garbage then. Put there. Yeah. Miss, is that empty? Huh? No, over here. Let's go down there. Let me see.